Ah, okay naman siya sa vlog. Hindi naman pangit.
Bagay nito yung kain.
Ah, hi kayo, hi. Hi.
Basa na yun naman kayo yan.
Ha?
Kinain na yan.
Oo, manamo na.
Hi. Hi kayo sa vlog.
Karal ko makari.
Lele, hi ka dito. Wait lang kita mo dyan. Hello, vlog.
Para makakakit sila rabbit. Palit ako Tita Rachel King Aircon eh. Yung kanta, tingnan mas maragon niya, may tasay ng papa. Gusto sa game. Kaya na kayo, ma'am.
Put your feet. Where's your feet?
Siga po yung paa mo. Nots. Nakot na.
Wait lang.
Ay, slip na kayo. Slip na. Close your eyes, Lele. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Lele. Wow! Cookies! Galing naman ni Kuya, oh. Siya yung nagmo-mold ng cookies. Tapos, i-bake na mamaya. Anong flavor ng cookies natin, Kuya?
Chocolate chip.
Wow! How about this one, baby girl? Oh, walang ginagawa. Watcher lang. Watcher lang si Lele.
Spectator.
Ah, it's... oh, it's Tita Say. Ayaw po magpakita. Wow, ilan kayo magagawa niyan?
Maybe
8 lang, oh. Pero ang laki po. Grabe, ang daming, ang daming chocolate chip, no? Grabe. Oh, Kuya, anong brand nung, natin, chocolate chip?
Calibio.
Ha? Ganun pala yung pronunciation niya. Ano siya, dark chocolate flavor. Yummy! Galing ni Kuya, oh. It's Kuya.
Ito po yung Master Baker. Kinain na po yung chocolate chips. Gumawa lang po siya 12 chocolate chip cookies. Kinain niya 1 cup chocolate chips.
This product.
Is it yummy, Le? Yummy, yummy? Is it yummy, Le? Approve, approve.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you. Wanna play? You want to play? Look, oh. Now you want to play? Kuyas. What are you eating, Le? Gummies? Gummies?
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love.
Lala, where are we going?
Marky!
Marky ba tayo pupunta, Lala? Di naman tayo sa Marky pupunta. Why?
Down there, Mama's house.
Where are we going, Lele?
Mikey.
Sino kasama natin?
Turn and 36.
Ano? Sino kasama natin ngayon?
Papa and Kuya Uno.
Papa lang. Wala si Kuya Uno.
Papa.
O, you say Papa.
Papa.
Punta tayo, Marky.
Puti yung Mikey.
O, tingin ka dito.
But this is
You
Mikey.
say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
O, sino kasama mong Barbie today? Sino? Saan siya? Sino to?
Baby.
Sino yan? Anong name ni Barbie?
Donut.
Ha?
I just got outside.
Bibilin po namin ng Wendy si Lele kasi baka gutom na siya. Lele,
Taco.
Lele, what do you want?
So funny.
What do you want, Lele?
Sakati sa order.
Hot pa. Blow mo, blow.
Cold.
Kahit mainit, kinakain niya. Blow mo, blow.
Malakasado si Jem Jem. Dati, kaya Sunday.
Why? Nag-hide sila sa'yo. May stock pa ba dyan? Mas masarap yung last time, mas malaki. Maliit lang to. Sayang. Oh! Ito, Chinatown. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Tere, what's that?
Stuck stick.
Oh, careful. Pakita mo paano mag-chopstick dahil.
Stay down.
Pakita mo.
Is this?
Wonton, mami. Fried chicken. Matigas siya. Love, tira mo konti. Kanin.
Jangan. Kau saya yang ada.
Kuha ka na, gusto mo?
Saya. Glass Miss Wan.
Ito, lagay mo dito.
Itu siap untuk Miss Wan deh.
Ay, matigas. Matigas siya.
Apa dia?
Matigas siya. No. I will give you chicken later. May chicken si mama. Okay?
Sunset. Sunset.
Taste mo yung soup. It's tigas. Hindi siya pwede sa'yo. Matigas siya.
Kodas.
Tigas?
That's plastic.
Oh. No, this is, mommy. Oh, wait lang. I will let you taste it. But it's small lang.
Tanda mo kita.
It's so long.
That's so young.
Wala, nahulog. Tikman lang.
Ano ako naman?
Okay, nandito po kami sa SNR. Nagpapabili ng steak si Tita Say. Lele, say hi! Dito sa vlog. Lele. Lele, where are we? Okay, bibili tayong dalawa. Yan. Bili naman tayong prutas.
Ayun, nag-ibig.
First, bibili ni Tita Say.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Yung kasa niya yan.
What's that? So heavy? Small? Kanino yung big? Kanino yung big? Kay Kuya Una? yung pan to the lollipops. Bye-bye. Oh, come on. Oh, come here. Put it back. Uy, good job si Lele. Oh, put it back na. Put it back. So heavy naman. O, tara na. Bye-bye. Matakaw. Sino matakaw? Lele, sino matakaw? Ay, kukunin ko na yan. Sige. Sino matakaw?
Yeah.
Sino?
Yeah.
Dito na po kami sa house. Say bye-bye vlog.
Bye bag.
See you next time.
Next time.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.